I can't find him. He's gone.
Don't worry, we will help you.
Stay calm. We'll find him together. Come on. We must look for him.
Let's check outside.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's go.
Stay close. We must find him.
Let's check this way. Please be safe. Where are you?
We need help.
Excuse me, have you seen a small dog?
I think I saw him running toward the park.
Really? Thank you! There are so many dogs here!
Maybe he is here. Keep looking.
Check every corner. He could be hiding.
Look carefully. He might be hiding here.
I don't see him. Keep looking. Check under the bushes. He could be close.
Wait, did you hear that? Stay quiet. Listen.
I heard something up there.
Is that him? I'm not sure.
Stay calm. It might be just another animal.
Please, let it be him. Oh, it's only a bird.
Don't worry. We will keep searching.
Look, this is his toy. It means he was here.
This is a good sign. We're getting closer.
We can find him. I know it. It's getting dark.
Stay close.
It's getting cold. We must be close. Don't stop now.
This will help us see the way.
I hope he's okay.
I'm so tired. We walked for hours. We tried our best today.
Let's rest for a moment. We need energy for tomorrow.
What if we never find him?
Don't think.
Wait, did you hear that? It sounded like something moving.
Stay here. Let me check. Could it be him? I see something moving. It's too dark to tell what it is. The wind is making everything look alive. I hope it's not a threat. We must stay alert. Stay calm. I need to check the door. I hope everything is okay. Please let this be nothing. What happened to him?
He got sick this morning. I didn't want to scare the kids. He could barely stand, so I carried him here.
Why didn't you call me?
I wanted to take him to a specialist.
Finally, we found him! Mom, we were so tired from searching for him.
I know, but he's safe now. We missed you so much.
He's home now. That's what matters.